Boom. Hey guys, how this is back to another video. It's been a long time since I've been making videos, but the best thing is that I got a new phone. As you can see, the original one that I originally had because of tech conditions. So today we're gonna play. If you guys want me to, we'll play some Pixar 3D that we haven't yet seen in a long time, or we could play Geometry Dash Smackdown, or Hungry Shark, or Clash Royale, or Snowbee Surfers, or Doomsday. So first of all, we're gonna start off with Doomsday. I hope you guys like. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy, and comment below in the comment section what video game do you want me to download, for I think it's my new phone is called Alcatel One Touch. Tell me what other game, which is technically like Android, and tell me what other games do you guys want me to download from the App Store, from the Google Play Store, and I'll play it and put it in the comment section below. So we're gonna do this easy way. Welcome back, Bob. You were away for 8 hours, 2 minutes, and got okay. So the purpose of this game is to like get a lot of money, and so you can upgrade your storages and everything. And I'm gonna upgrade the food just because. And this isn't working, so I'm guessing I'm gonna press it. Ready? Here it goes. Go. Oh my goodness, what's gonna happen? Meteor? Oh goodness gracious.
Why did you do something so wrong? It's insane, made it rain, nuclear waste, 'cause you were told by a song.
I wasn't told by any song. Okay, so the thing is that right now we're going to play some Pixar 3D. It's a long goddamn story that we haven't played yet. So I hope you guys enjoy. And I will pause the video right now because I need to. It's gonna take a while, and then I go to the bathroom. So I'll be right back. Okie dokie, guys. We just came back from this moment. It took a few more minutes for the phone to actually get the hang of it. And yeah, so oh my goodness gracious. So with no good reason, we're gonna be playing on multiplayer mode, which is gonna be like the best thing ever too, cause it's been a long time since I've been making videos, because now I'm in 7th grade, and a lot of things have changed. So I am going to tell you a story. It's called Be Quiet, Shut Your Mouth, Don't Dress as Fucking Clowns, because they will kill you. Okay, we're good. Okay, now here's the fucking game. We'll be right back. Boys, we are back, and music. Watch. Come on. I should be That's a premium. Fireball spell. So let's go, and we are going to battle. Oh, see what I get? See what I get? I'm not looking right now. I swear to God, I'm not looking. Is it anything I'm looking at? I swear to God, I'm not looking. Come on. I resume back when the whole thing is up to. Oh, never mind. Oh, you kidding me, Blockmart? Okay. Not the best choice for these guns, but it's worth it. Our whole limit here is to kill What did we get? How many kills did we got? How many kills did we get? 7. So we got 7. Finish my guns. Oh, you move over there. Okay, so I'm going to use. I should use this one. See if it makes a difference or not. And then I use. Bye! Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna stop the video here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.